Hi, welcome to Eli Media Kitchen. Today we're making a classic pecan pie, an easy recipe for the holidays. Let's get started. The ingredients will be listed in the description box below. First, you need a little bit of butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, and 3 eggs whisked, combined until smooth and creamy, corn syrup, salt. Now, at the bottom of your pie crust, go ahead and add your chopped pecan layer. Pour the mixture to cover, and then you can do this or you could skip this step, but I like it. Add a nice design layer of whole pecans. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake uncovered for 30 minutes and covered for 30 minutes and cool completely to set. And there you have it. Easy recipe, delicious for the holidays, and it's one of my favorites. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you next week.